Hello guys, my name is Lisa Msalu. Hey guys, I miss you so much. If you are new here, please subscribe, like and comment. I love you guys. I just come to do gym here to work out. Here it's raining. See back. See, it's raining. Water everywhere. It's raining. Guys, let's open the door. You see? Guys, it's too raining. And there's big breeze. Big breeze. Naona nimekuja kuruka kamba jamani. Watanzania mambo vipi? Watu wote mnaongea Kiswahili mambo vipi? Nawapenda sana. Kama nyinyi ni wageni hapa, please consider subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Here. Hapa ni nyumbani ninapoishi. Ndio nakuja kufanya mazoezi na mvua inanyesha jamani. Mnaona nanyeshewa ndugu yenu. Nawapenda sana jamani guys. Yaani hapa ndo hamna ndo hamna mvua. Kwa sababu kuna hii hapa. Kuna huko juu. Guys. I want to show you the environment even if there is raining. Let it rain. You see? It's very beautiful view. It's just because of raining. I'm scared also. I'm scared. But I can continue to show you guys. I love my villa. I love my villa. My villa is very beautiful. Oh my gosh. My villa is very beautiful, guys. Let me show you. Here you can plug your phone and charge it. Or if you're boring, you can come and sit here. You can have some drink, some fun with your friend. Or if you're alone, up to you. If you like to chill alone, like me, I like to chill alone. So it's up to me, guys. See, guys, it's very big. It's very big villa. It's very big villa. Here is very big villa. Please, if your places like this, please drop your comment there. Okay. Here you can see. You see guys? Here you can see outside. I want to show you guys outside. Oh my god. Yani, I'm short. I cannot even see well. See guys. Oh my god. The view is very nice. The view is very nice. I wish I can climb here. I can climb here. Oh my god. You see guys, then my camera is touching water. You see guys, wow, it's amazing. Guys, see how I love you guys. I just show you and subscribe my life on raining. Guys, wow, I love you guys so much. Please, if you are new here, consider subscribe, like, comment and share. The rain is big. Oh my god, I cannot do exercise again. I cannot do exercise. Guys, I love you so much. Okay, I think we can do exercise with this raining, right? Okay, ciao. I love you so much. I love